right, good afternoon. My name is C.S. Murthy, and I've been in this industry from last 20 years. I was working with Aitech as a distributor for a quite long time, and we started the company of Aitech in the last 2017. I thank you very much, first of all, by inviting all my guests for being with Aitech for so many years and driving the Aitech to the position what they are. Before I start my presentation or topic of discussion about today's Make in India as a concept, I would just like to once again, I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry, in between there was some technical sag for me. I just want to start with my extending warm welcome to the people who are participating in Make in India program. And as I said, I've been working with Aitech from last 20 years, and most of my customers who are there working with Aitech from last 20 years are known about the quality and delivery of Aitech, what that does in India. Aitech as a company started in 1986 in Israel and transformed from black and white to a colorful Aitech in India in 2017. Aitech has started its operation in India on a prime perspective of becoming a good RMS support center and starting doing engineering development and then a sales and an R&D team. In the last 2 years, we started working more towards support activities, and last 1 year especially, we started doing design and development of Aitech products in India. Today, Aitech is the only OEM in India which has the infrastructure in place to manufacture, design, and develop the products in India. Aitech as a company has established its own presence in India, supporting the needs of Indian defense requirement to have a Make in India as a concept of successful growth. Some of the facts and figures which we talk about here is about the budget and the revenue, what is there in this business of market in India. As we all know, India is the 5th largest annual defense budget spender, talking about $65 million of spend targeted for the years to come every year on. And currently, 70% of Indian defense products are imported. With the various changes in the government policies from last couple of years, Government of India has decided to make an automatic route for the foreign companies to make investment up to 44% in the companies as a joint venture to make the products in India. Aitech has taken this as an opportunity and started developing the ecosystem in India since 2017 and to challenge the need and requirement of Indian defense quality standards. Opportunities from defense offset obligation is also the part of the consideration for Aitech in India, and that's why the proportionate of the company in India is fully equipped to support the manufacturing under the obligation of offset as well. As all we know that Make in India, Buy in India, and Buy Global, Make Global are so many philosophies that are going around in the Indian market. Aitech is geared up to meet any challenges in terms of qualifying itself as a company which is Make in India. Aitech as a company has defined itself as its position in India by partnering with a lot of Tier 1 manufacturers, defense equipment manufacturers in India. Aitech is blessed with the customers who have been working with Aitech for many years, supporting the Aitech position in India, and also I help in developing the requirements of the customer in time with the quality of international standards. Aitech prides itself on its robust list of technology partners. Many of them have a collaboration with many years with Aitech, and we seek partnership, as our CEO mentioned, with the values of the vision. As Aitech, we are committed for developing the most advanced technology for our customers and feel it's very important to help and strengthen the growth of embedded computing ecosystem, especially in India. The basic reason why Aitech has positioned itself as a major OEM manufacturing their facility in India is to meet the challenges of Make in India as a straightforward technology transfer from the parent company as well as partnering in the design and development of the requirements in India by Indian team. As Aitech, we offer system engineering, customer interface development systems, system testing and validation program, of course, integration and manufacturing. Aitech has been supplying to our major customers. We are blessed to have HAL, Bell, L&T, Tata as a major suppliers to customers to Aitech and being a part of major programs from the last 20 years. Aitech, with its direct presence in India since 2017, is demonstrating its commitment towards Indian customers and Indian market and to make in India a real reality. Aitech has started its R&D center in India as a part of the global R&D program, having a team of engineers sitting in India, designing the boards, not just for Indian customers, but also to the global customers. This opportunity helps Indian and talented team to learn the nitty-gritty of design, provide a very strong, efficient, and cohesive technology to the Indian customers and manufacture those products in India to meet the quality standards of international standards. Aitech has already identified and qualified subcontractors or sub-vendors who can be a part of our ecosystem to make our boards in India starting from Q1 2020. As all we know, quality is the most important subject and it means money and time for any company, and Aitech strongly believes in this, and just by believing doesn't happen. So we, as a part of a global program, India is also getting ready for IS 9000 decertification. With a long-term vision of being in India and staying positive, we have the Aitech Group started its investment in India in R&D, production, and of course, an integration center. As all of you know, who was working with Aitech for many years, Aitech has a very strong commitment to Indian customers. And we are proud through our customers, we are into so many programs which otherwise would not have made it. Taking the same step forward, Aitech has done its part of making in India a part of their delivery plan for 2021. The idea of delivery plan of 2021 is to improve our capabilities in terms of R&D design, engineering in India. We are doubling our numbers in coming year, enhance our manufacturing capabilities by partnering with the local suppliers and vendors. And these qualified members of our family are the part of a global production ecosystem, which means most of the suppliers who are qualified under Aitech program in India are also manufacturing systems which to be delivered by Aitech globally elsewhere other than in India. We all know the kind of support Aitech is extended through our support team in Israel, but now it was decided that Aitech India will extend the same kind of support by local. This enables customers to get a support at a very quick turnaround time, and RMA support is one of our most important agenda when we make the company in India in 2017. Some of the facts which declares the Aitech footprint in India with our partnership with our esteemed customers, we're a part of BrahMos, we're a part of Rustum, we are part of LCA, we are part of ALH, we are part of Hakai, we are part of an helicopter upgrade programs. We are also a part of missile launcher programs such as MRSAM, LRSAM, Pinaka, and we are also part of a naval subsystems which we are not aware about the specific area of application. In general, looking at this footprint, it fulfills the need and requirement of Aitech to be in India, giving the value to our customers who have been with us in the last 20 years. Aitech truly wants to be a local partner with a global connect. When you talk about local partner, we would like to be a partner with you in India along with your team. And we say about global, we want to bring the global capabilities, global think tank process, global design process, and implementation process to a company in India, which will help our customers and also us to enhance our technological capabilities and improve our connect with the customer. I thank you very much for being patient, listening to me all this. And as you know, I'm always available for any discussions, and we appreciate your time. And I really appreciate if you start corresponding with us with the needs of developing systems in India for not just for your local requirement, but even for the export content of it. And thank you very much.